You work hard every day, but your money disappears. What if I told you it's not your fault?
The more he earns, the more he spends. His lifestyle grows faster than his income.
One day, an emergency hits, and Alex realizes he has nothing saved.
Guys, you've probably seen these finance videos everywhere lately, and there's a reason they're going insanely viral. These videos are 100% monetizable. Yes, the videos you're seeing on your screen right now, we created them using completely free AI tools, and today I'm going to show you 2 free image generators and 1 free video generator. So don't skip this video. It's going to be extremely important, especially for anyone who wants to make money from YouTube. And yes, people are earning not just small amounts, but even $10 to $15 per $1,000 views. Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful finance niche trick. So guys, first of all, take a look at this channel. It's a finance channel, and I've actually shown you a similar one before called Nick Invest. This is basically a copy of that channel. Yes, on this channel, you'll see almost the same style. The characters may be slightly different, but the content and messaging are very similar. And yes, this is 100% monetized. Now, if we talk about earnings, this channel is currently making around $1,500 per month. And here's something even more interesting. This channel uploads both short videos and long videos, which means they are maximizing their income from both sides. If we look at their subscribers, they have around 84.5K to 84.6K subscribers, with only about 140 videos uploaded, which is honestly super impressive. So guys, without wasting any time, today we're going to create a finance video just like this and upload it on YouTube to start earning. Now here's the best part. I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, everything is included. Step-by-step details, image prompts, video prompts, and even separate voiceover lines. If you want, you can generate videos using images, or directly generate full videos. Both options are included. I've structured everything into 4 to 5 clear steps. And yes, you'll find the link in the description. All you need to do is simply copy it. Then come to ChatGPT, paste it, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will first give you a topic. If you like one of the suggested topics, you can choose it. Otherwise, it will automatically generate the best topic for you. Then it will generate voiceover lines automatically. After that, it will give you 10 scene-based image prompts, and then it will generate 10 video prompts along with voiceover lines. Now the next step is image generation, and today, we're going to use 2 tools for image generation, so don't skip the video. Now in today's video, we are going to use an image generator. The name of this image generator is VNNO AI, yes, VNNO. AI is a powerful AI image generator, and now I'm going to show you how to get it for free. The free method is very simple. You just need to sign in, and I'll guide you step by step. First of all, open the tool. You'll find the link in the description. Then, you need to open any temporary email website. You can use any temp mail, like it doesn't matter. After that, copy the email from the temp mail. Now go back to the VNNO AI website. Click on Sign In, and then click on Sign In with email. Here, paste your email and click on Send Verification Code. Once you do that, go back to your temp mail inbox. You'll receive a verification code. Simply copy that code, then return to VNNO AI and paste the code there. As soon as you verify it, you'll get 20 free credits in your account. Now, look at the top. You'll see an option called Today Check. Click on it, and you'll get 20 more credits, so now you have a total of 40 credits. There's one more trick. You can earn 50 extra credits by inviting a friend. Here's how: open another browser. Copy your invite code and paste it there. Then use another email and sign up using your invite code. This way, both accounts will receive 50 extra credits. So as you can see, right now I already have credits available because I signed in from 2 different places. Now let's generate images. For image generation, here's what you need to do. Take a screenshot from the channel I showed you earlier. Specifically, take a screenshot of the character. After that, upload that image into the tool. Once uploaded, we'll preview it. As you can see, the first image has started generating. It will be ready in a few moments. After that, we'll preview it and analyze the result. It usually takes around 1 minute to generate, and then we'll create more images. Now, as you can see, the first image is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, it kept the same character, the background looks great, and it generated exactly what we wanted. Simply download it, then repeat the same process again for the next images. If your credits run out, don't worry, just repeat the same method using another browser. Again, upload the reference image, paste your prompt, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the next image will start processing. Within a short time, your image will be ready. As you can see, the image is generating right now, and guys, we always bring you free AI tools, but we really need your support. Now next, I'm going to show you another free image generator and a video generator, so don't skip the video. Now as you can see, the second image is also ready, and it looks very professional. Simply download it as well. And guys, if you don't like this tool, we have another option. Just go to your browser and search for Flow AI. Open Flow AI and log in. Click on New Project, then select the model. Choose Nano Banana 2, because Nano Banana 1 currently has some issues. Now upload your reference image, paste your prompt, and click on Generate. When I used Nano Banana 1, the image kept failing. That's why I switched to Nano Banana 2. Now I'm repeating the same process, uploading the reference image and pasting the prompt. As you can see, images are generating one by one. In a few moments, all images will be ready. Now let's preview them. As you can see, the images are ready, and they look beautiful and professional. So today, we generated images using Venano AI and Flow AI. Now the next step is video generation, so don't skip this part. For this, I'll also provide you the tool link in the description. The tool we are going to use is Key AI. You'll find its link in the description. All you need to do is come here and log in. After logging in, you'll see many tools available here, like text to video, image to video, video to video, video editing, speech to video, lip sync, text to image to image, and image editor. Some of these tools work, and some don't, so let me guide you properly. First of all, log in. After logging in, go to image to video. Once you open it, you'll see an option called VO 3.1. Simply click on it. As soon as you click on it, you'll notice that you have around 80 credits available, which means you can generate around 2 to 3 videos using VO 3.1. Now I personally select VO 3.1 Lite because it uses fewer credits and works almost like the fast version. Then I click on image to video. Now in the first frame section, I upload my first character image. After that, I go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 video prompt with voiceover, and paste it here. After pasting, I select the ratio 9:16 and set the resolution to either 720p or 1080p, depending on your choice. Once everything is ready, I simply click on Generate. As soon as I click Generate, the first video starts generating. Now as you can see, the generation has started. It usually takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute to generate a video, and it produces a very professional result. Then we'll check the output. So guys, as you can see, SkillTech Studio always brings you free AI tools, but we really need your support. Now once your videos are ready, the next step is editing. After editing, you need to upload them on a channel like this. And if you comment asking how to do SEO optimization or how to create a channel, I'll make a separate video on that, but I need at least 8 to 10 comments for that because honestly, a lot of effort goes into making these videos. And when there's no response, it becomes difficult to stay motivated. The video will be ready. Now here is our first video ready. Preview it.
You work hard
As you can
every
see,
day,
the character is speaking, holding the wallet, and it
What
looks
if I
very
told you
professional, super,
it's
an
not
amazing
your
result.
fault?
Now simply click on the 3 dots and download the video.
You
The
work
quality is
hard
also
every
very
day,
professional.
But your money
Now,
disappears.
I repeat the same
What if I
process for the
told
next
you?
video. Upload the next image, then I go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 2, and paste it here. Again, I select 9:16 ratio, and then click on Generate. Once everything is ready, your next generation will start. Now, as you can see, the next video is also ready. It looks
They
very
quietly
professional and super
copy
amazing. In the
subscriptions,
same way,
small
multiple
upgrades.
videos can be
Nothing
generated.
feels
Now,
big.
if your credits run out,
But together,
here's what you can do.
they quietly
Open another
drain
browser.
everything.
Use a new Gmail account. Follow the same process again. Select image to video. Choose VO3, and you'll again receive 80 credits, which means you can create 3 to 4 more videos. Then I'll show you the result. Now, as you can see, the video is ready. I'm very professional and super amazing. So guys, today we generated all videos and images. We used 2 tools for images, and then generated videos. This is how you can earn using completely free AI content. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.